Ashgabat is hosting third international festival of theatrical arts. Today with us, director of Italian arts. Good evening. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, I'm Daniel de Plano. I live in Italy, and I am today to represent Italy in this fantastic festival. So tonight we have we have seen Pagliacci, an Italian opera. Very impressive.
Yeah, we liked it very much. You see the crowd. It was only half of the crowd inside. There was another half outside which couldn't enter. How do you evaluate this enthusiasm?
Mi dispiace molto. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But this is dimostra.
This is the chance to show Italian opera here
more
often.
More often.
Well, half of the crowd outside, it doesn't mean bad, it means good. There is a high interest for your arts. Yeah,
but I'm so sorry for the person.
No, I don't mean to offend you, but I'm just saying how people are interested in your art. You did a good job today, and recently our president also was in Italy. The bilateral relations between Italy and Turkmenistan is growing. Next year, some schools will be introducing Italian language in the high schools. Today you contributed in bilateral relation in the exchange in the arts. So we thank you very much for tonight, and we hope more and more Italian art will be demonstrated in Turkmen theaters.
Yes, this is my hope. I think that this is just the beginning, So, what I hope, the first step, what I hope is that the next year I will be there, just here, to represent another opera. But what I think is that Turkmenian people, opera, need to go in Italy.
Yeah, Turkmen opera needs to be performed in Italy too.
Please.
It will be a challenge.
This is a bridge between cultures.
Turkmenistan and Italy.
And that's our hope too. We could perform our opera too in your country too. Thank you very much for tonight. It was a tremendous show. We hope to see you again in Ashgabat.
Спасибо большое.
Браво, брависсимо, режиссеру Даниэлю де Плано. Это мольто браво. Это суперрежиссер, который сделал все, что можно и нельзя с нашими артистами. И мы очень довольны работой. Мы благодарны, что вообще прозвучала опера. Я считаю, что проект наш удался сегодня. Все было великолепно, и наша работа увенчалась настоящим успехом.
Спасибо вам большое.
Мы начали работать с апреля месяца. Мы занимались с певцами, певцы с оркестром и со мной. И, в общем, у нас все это длится очень долгое время.
Успехов вам.
Да, продолжение будет. Да.
Спасибо вам большое.